Hey there, this is Kushal, and in this video, I'm going to tell you about 5 things that if you learn one of them, you can be having a good career in this upcoming decade. A lot of things have changed since past 10 years. हम देख रहे हैं कि शुरू शुरू में वेबसाइट्स का काफ़ी बूम आया था, फिर जावा और सी प्लस प्लस और ये प्रोग्रामिंग काफ़ी चली थी क्योंकि people were into that. People wanted to learn a lot of things, people wanted to solve a lot of problems. But now the things are changing. A lot of things that were trendy past 10 years और 10 साल पहले जो चीज़ें ज़्यादा ट्रेंडी थी या फिर जिसमें हाई पेइंग जॉब्स थी, थिंग्स हैव वेरी चेंज एंड वी आर इन अ डिजिटल रेवोल्यूशन. किस तरीके से जानते हैं इस वीडियो में मैं आपको कुछ चीज़ें बताऊंगा. तो बात करते हैं सबसे पहली चीज़ की. सबसे पहली चीज़ है जो कि आगे जाके दैट इज़ गोइंग टू बी दैट इज़ गोइंग टू सस्टेन अ लॉट ऑफ जॉब्स, क्योंकि सब कह रहे हैं कि एआई बहुत सारे जॉब खा जाएगी और बहुत सारी चीज़ें हो जाएगी. सो वन ऑफ दैट थिंग इज़ योर आरपीए. So RPA is robotic process automation. Okay, what is robotic process automation? Robotic process automation के अंदर जैसे कई सारे ऐसे काम होते हैं जो किसी भी कंपनी या फिर कोई इंडिविजुअल को बार बार करने पड़ते हैं और उन कामों को बार बार करने की वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा मैन पावर खर्च होती है. अब उस मैन पावर को बचाने के लिए और टाइम को बचाने के लिए यूजिंग प्रोग्रामिंग, like you can do it from scratch, as well as there are some tools which are trendy in market and people have a lot of lot of requirement of people who can work on those tools. Like some of the very popular tools are automation anywhere and UiPath, and I guess automation anywhere is also giving you free training for that with a certificate. So that's a good thing and you can get started in this. You don't need to have a lot of programming skills in order to get into that. That's why that's the good advantage about it. The second thing is cloud computing. And along with cloud computing, you should be having how to just connect and integrate those things with the cloud on edge. So what is cloud on edge? Let's say you want to implement something such as helmet detection on roads or on motorcycles, and you will have to add one webcam there or some sort of camera there. Now how the system will work, that webcam will get the data. It will just send the data onto a cloud server or something which can process the data, and like processing means just finding the helmet out of that image, or is there some helmet or not. तो उस चीज़ को करने के लिए दे नीड अ कंप्यूटेशन, और ये कंप्यूटेशन जब आप एक क्लाउड में जाके करते हैं, मतलब यहाँ से जब डेटा ट्रांसफर होता है तो उसमें काफ़ी सारी लिमिटेशंस आती है. पहली लिमिटेशन, डेटा ट्रांसफर स्पीड्स, सो इट क्रिएट्स अ लेटेंसी दैट मेक्स अ सिस्टम स्लो. Second is, as in India, you also know internet is not that much stable. It is very good. I'm not saying it is bad, but it is not that much stable. We have a lot of network issues when there is a lot of load on the bandwidth. So उसके हिसाब से you should be able to do using some tools such as Raspberry Pi, और जो आपका Arduino है, काफ़ी सारे industrial tools भी available हैं by Intel, Genius Board and a lot of industrial tools. तो उन सब चीज़ों की मदद से you can process the data at that spot with the webcam and you can attach it. तो उससे system fast हो गया. And then after processing, let's say you are sending some bulk of data or some bunch or chunk of data, it will make this process a lot easier and faster. So that is the second thing that is going to be in trend, क्योंकि this cloud on edge वाली जो चीज़ है, this can be helpful to a lot of industries. That is industry 4.0. A lot of my friends are working into that, and I know that it is creating a great impact because people, the industry owners don't want to just have a lot of employees just to manage machines. They want to automate that. So it is going to be a very very useful thing in 2020. The third thing is big data. Okay, so when we hear about big data, a lot of people associate this thing with AI, ML, or a lot of people associate this with the data entry or data management people. It is not like that. What is big data? Big data basically is a domain where you work with large chunks of data. So why they have created a specific domain for that? Because the tools and technology that you use in normal applications where you have some let's say some decent amount of data, not that much. So there you can work with the standard tools such as Python or your any other programming languages. But when it boils down to, let's say you have a lot of data, so Python and these languages are not able to process it very well. So you need to learn three things: receive data, manage data, and use data. The process of receiving data means getting data into your system, and that should also be a streamlined flow. Then you need to manage data into a data warehouse. So along with big data, such as, like, there are some tools to manage all these things, such as Hadoop, your Spark and Hadoop. Even AWS also provides you a lot of things. All of the cloud technologies are very, very active in that. They have a thing such as data warehouse, and where you can store a lot of data and you can use based upon your use. Because if you'll be storing a lot of data in your pipeline, which is a project or machine learning or data science project, then it will make it very slow and you won't be able to achieve good results. That's why big data is going to be very, very good industry in upcoming decade. So you should be you should start getting into it. A lot of free learning tutorials are available on YouTube, as well as a lot of advanced courses are available online. So it is like, when things are accessible to you, you should start learning that. Perfect. So that is about big data, because a lot of data is going to be generated in upcoming years. We are going digital. Even the people who didn't had mobile phones 10 साल पहले, वो लोग आज स्मार्टफोन्स पे आ गए हैं. Everyone wants to use WhatsApp, and with WhatsApp they use Facebook, and on Facebook they see a lot of ads, and they are migrated to different things. Perfect. So that's how we are going digital. Now let's talk about two things. Let me combine both of the things. The first thing is, I'm not saying you can just mix both and do it, but these are two of the hottest topics, and those are in trends. So if you are a technical person, you love programming, you have a logical mind, data science is for you. Okay, what is data science? Data science is a domain using which you basically extract some very, 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 very useful information out of a data that can create profits. You can know your customer well, you can solve a problem which will require a human, let's say 5 to 10 years to solve, and you can analyze a lot of things using a lot of complex and very systematic algorithms. So it boils down to a lot of things. If you want to learn how data science work, and if you want to migrate into this, I've made a video, please check it in the I button, so you can get it there. So that's about data science, and here you can also use the big data knowledge, because once a person gets a data, it basically adds it to a warehouse, and then a data analyst just gathers useful data, then it pre-processes it, and then the data gets to a data scientist, and that basically does a lot of wonderful things with a lot of wonderful algorithms, and generates good visualizations on dashboards, so that the CEOs and the top management people can understand what is happening in a better manner. That's why data scientists generate profits. So that is how things work. And the next thing, which is a bonus thing, you can say, it is digital marketing. Okay, now marketing has changed a lot. शुरू में जब हम देखते थे, सबसे पहले जब टीवी भी नहीं होते थे, न्यूज़पेपर्स वर द थिंग, और या फिर बिल बोर्ड्स और होर्डिंग्स, इनसे मार्केटिंग होती थी. तो उसमें क्या था, चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा कनेक्ट नहीं होती थी, क्योंकि सबके सब देख रहे हैं होर्डिंग. you're not able to track people. जो वो होर्डिंग देख रहे हैं, जो आपको कॉल कर रहे हैं, that's it, but you waste a lot of money on that. Then ये न्यूज़पेपर आए, इसके बाद में न्यूज़ चैनल्स एंड टीवी एड्स, बट एवरीथिंग वाज वेरी 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 कॉस्टली, and the small scale industries or new business people were not able to spend much on those ads. So then these digital media or the social networking, as well as Google, started the ad platform, and on those platforms you can basically run ads, and those ads will be shown to only a specific audience who can be a potential customer to you. So that's why it is a very, very budding industry, very, very huge industry. And I'm not saying digital marketing is all about running ads. It's about strategizing how you can sell a product. That's what sales is. So sales is a very, very crucial part about digital marketing. And if you are into sales, you know how to sell things, please get into digital marketing. You can start your own agency, because people need good marketers who can create good strategies and basically can generate useful leads and then can convert those leads into customers. So a lot of things are there, how to make a funnel, how to make like a lot of things, WordPress, SEO, funnel building, email marketing, a lot of things comes under this. So and a lot of useful channels are also available on YouTube. You can just go to YouTube and search for Neil Patel, Sahil Khanna, and a lot of good people whom I also follow, and I'm just recommending you. So that's all about these things, and those were the things that you should start learning from right now, just to get good experience and to survive in upcoming 10 years. Perfect. So that's my experience, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. And if you don't know about me, I am Kushal. I have worked with a British data science company, and in that I have managed the customer behavior prediction and a lot of things. Plus I've done a lot of machine learning projects, lot of projects on prediction, classification, clustering, recommendation, and a lot of things. So I'm here to provide all of my experience and knowledge free of cost, and in a very very easy manner. So I upload a lot of videos regarding algorithm explanation, regarding hands-on coding from scratch. I even coded a neural network from scratch, which is not a good thing because a lot of people are doing now. But all I want to say is, if you are here, please consider subscribing me. I'll provide you a lot of value, and please like this video, share this with your friends, and I wish you all the best. And please check the description. I have gifted you a free Python course. Good luck, goodbye, and I'll see you in the next one.
I didn't know it was over. Take care of you.